So, this year marks the 40th anniversary of the TV series Worzel Gummidge, and I'm currently in Hampshire trying to find the locations where the series was filmed. And I think this is possibly where Geoffrey Bayldon, as the Crowman, filmed the scene where he meets the Scarecrow, Scarer Cabbage. It looks very much like Lorraine that was in the TV series, and there is a Worzel Gummidge Facebook page with some filming location info, and looking at the instructions I'm pretty sure this is the location, and it looks like it is. So yeah, and over here in this field is where Scarer Cabbage will have stood, which was of course 40 years ago now. Looks a little bit different now, but it's still as beautiful. So yeah, Geoffrey Bayldon will have walked along here, and this is where Scarer Cabbage will have stood.